Welcome back. I'm Brandy with Honest Apron, and for today we're making my stuffed glizzies. That's right, they are juicy, delicious, and creamy. So stick around with me and I'll show you how to make them. And now we're gonna jump right in it and we're gonna make the filling for those glizzies. We got 8 ounces of whipped cream cheese. We're gonna add it to a cup of pre-shredded cheddar cheese. Actually, I think I have a mix. It's just whatever cheese you have that you like, you just add it in there. I got some chopped up bacon bits that I did. Pre-cooked up my bacon. Oh, I hope this is a big enough pan. We got 1 roasted jalapeno, deseeded, chopped, and about 4 green onions that are diced. You know, I think I was a little preemptive thinking that I wasn't gonna need that big of a vessel, but we're gonna go ahead and mix it in a bowl. Okay, now mix it all together. It wasn't mixing like I like, so we're just gonna use our fingers. Ah, so much better. And now we're gonna go ahead and grab a sausage and we're gonna get ready to stuff it. Grab your knife, and when you're making your cut, you wanna go almost all the way through. It's gonna look like this. We're gonna split it all the way open. You take your filling that we made earlier and we're going to literally stuff it in there. You get any flavored sausages that you like. I think today on our menu we're gonna have a cheese and pepper stuffed one and then a smoky cheddar. You want them to feel like this. Now you can fill them as full as you want, but it should look like that. And now we repeat. And when you're all done filling everything, they should look like this. Oops, don't roll the wieners off. And now you want to make sure you season. We're going to use some honey hog. Just sprinkle some on top. Okay, now before we go ahead and put these on the grill, I normally let them sit in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes so that way everything firms up and we don't have oozing cheese all over our grill for a mess later. So go ahead and pop them in the refrigerator. All right, and just like that, I just took these out of the refrigerator and now we can go put them on the grill that I have preheated. All right, so let's go ahead and go. Went ahead and put them on the grill. Let's take a look. This is what they should look like. Not quite done yet, so we will have to come back and check in on them here in a little bit. And as you can see, they're all done. They're grilled up beautifully. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off and we're gonna head on in so we can bun them up. Do a little bit of mayonnaise and ketchup on it. This one looks pretty good. All right, you guys, here's the moment we have all been waiting for. That's delicious. Grilled perfectly. Now, if I were you, I wouldn't wait any longer and I'd be getting up so that way you can go make these. Thank you so much again for sticking around and watching the video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day and we'll catch you next time. All right, now let's go ahead and spread those buns and we're gonna put some mayonnaise in them.